નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here. Dear student friends, let's move ahead in second chapter present time with the next tense, and that is present perfect tense or perfect present tense. This is the tense, it combines two different tenses together. It contains past tense also. It contains present tense also. This is the most important feature of this tense. You see here, we are here where no past, no future. Something happened here that is over just before the present time. And the effect of that action is on present time. That is the difference. That's the difference in between two sentences. I have seen that. That means that film, that scene, whatsoever it is. I have seen that film. Or I had seen that film. You see here, if the completed action just before present is not having any effect on the present, then it is past perfect. If that action prevails the effect of the present time, that is present perfect. That's the difference in between these two sentences. I have seen that film, I had seen that film. In this way, this is the combination of present tense also. This is the combination of past tense also, because in past only the action was started. In past only the action was over. It means entire action started in past, completed in past. Whether the impact and effect of that action prevails on present or not, that makes difference in between present perfect and past perfect. This thing should keep in your mind at the time of using past perfect or present perfect. We will move ahead with the affirmative, negative and interrogative sentence formula of this tense. So far as affirmative sentence is concerned, noun pronoun or personal pronoun can be on the place of subject, quite common as it is, plus have or has, or V3 form, that is also known as past participle of verb. You will write V3 or you will write past participle of verb. Both are equal. I have gone, they have gone, she of Mira has gone. This is present perfect with affirmative sentence formula. Next to that, negative sentence formula. Simple idea, noun pronoun, person pronoun that can be on place of subject, plus have has. After have has, you will add not. Nothing is there. Next to that, past participle of verb or V3. V3 is quite common. Here also V3, here also V3, here also V3. V3 will remain as it is. I have not gone, they have not gone, she of the Mira has not gone. Next to that, have has in the initial place of the sentence, plus noun pronoun, personal pronoun that can be on place of subject. Or and next to that one is what? You will add there past participle of the verb. Past participle of the verb is equal to V3. These things you will keep in your mind. But next to that, here, interrogative mark. Have I gone? I have seen. Have I seen that film? Have they gone? Has Mira or she gone? In this way, we have completed affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentence formula of present perfect tense. How we can write the same tense in the table of personal pronoun that we will think after this. Write down what so you want to write from the board so that it can be helpful to you while revising the same chapter. Present perfect tense with the personal pronoun table, how it is. I have gone, I have not gone, have I gone? FP, we have gone, we have not gone, have we gone? You have gone, you have not gone, have you gone? SP, TP, he has gone, he has not gone, has he gone? They have gone, they have not gone, have they gone? I have written they in such a way. Why is it so? Because it is applicable with all these three, because this is from singular, this is from plural, this is also third person, but here it is singular, this is also third person, but here it is in plural. So that I have written this in this way. Okay? In this way, you will prepare this tense formula with present perfect tense in personal pronoun concept, so that it can be helpful to you to prepare same structure in your mind while speaking or while writing same tense. Got the idea? I'll give you time to copy down it speedily so that we can move ahead with the special use and usage of this tense in English. Let's move ahead with the use and usage of this tense. Once again I tell you, this is only the tense. This is only the tense. This is only the tense which is the combination of present tense also, past tense also. This thing you will keep in your mind forever. Okay, to show the completed action of near past just before the present through this idea also, I told you the action was started here and just completed here. Just before the past. In near past. Just before the present. In near past. If it is completed, you can explain that action in present perfect tense. To show the completed action of the near past, I have completed this assignment works. પછી 5 મિનિટ પહેલા જ પૂરું કર્યું. Near past. Got the idea? Next to that. To indicate the starting point of the action. When you want. To indicate starting point of action. I have not seen this film since publication. જ્યારથી પબ્લિકની અંદર આવ્યો before 2 years. Before 5 years. Starting point. I have not completed this work since it was given to me. When it was given to me, just before 1 year back. From that time onwards, I have not completed this. It means to indicate the starting point of the action, so that I have not seen Mira since last 1 month, before a month. Last day of last month. I had seen. Then afterwards, that was the last time I met. Then afterwards, from that point onwards, up to this extent, I have not seen Mira. Starting point of the action. An action that happened frequently in the past and may occur in future. Most important use and usage. An action that happened frequently in the past. So many times it happened in past, and it may happen in future also. If it is in that condition, you can use present perfect. You see here, I have informed these idea many times to the higher authority, and if it is required, I may inform it to the higher authorities in future also. So that informing about this idea to higher authorities, this action happened frequently in past and may happen in future. At the time, this is the special use and usage of present perfect tense. This should keep in your mind. Okay. I may inform in future too if it requires. Okay. With special words, with special phrases also it is used. I have used here since, and I have made a box over there because the same word is here since. Few words are there. If you want to use that word in your structure in spoken and written form, you should use present perfect. Words or phrases are such as just, already, before, since, so far, as yet, etc. When you use, at the time you have to go with that. Okay. I'll tell you, she has not talked yet about this. Yet about this. Time is at present. Yet. Time is over. Yet she has not talked. Because yet is used. I have already completed this work. Already is used over here. Yet is used from here. She has given me this idea just now, just now, just now, just now, just now. So that whenever we are using such words or phrases in our spoken or written language at that time, this tense must be used. So that our language would be according to the rules and regulations of grammar. Write down whatsoever you want to write from here so that it can be helpful to you in your language. Thank you. Thanks a lot to you all. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.